Wow, welcome to the Popayán. I am from Popayán City, known as the city of Colombia or the Jerusalem of America. In our religion's tradition, we celebrate Holy Week with other people's church. Monuments and museums are visited. At night, there are processions with tours of the city center. Since they were children, they start with this tradition. The following week, the children made their parade south, the city. Many people come of Popayán. This date is special because it represents the passion, death, and resurrection of God. What this shows is what happened of the Mount of Oliver. Also, we have artisans in different parts of the city who show their products in arts, music, wood, and food. Wow, the most spectacular is our pipi and empanadas, different types of fish. Everything is very delicious. It was recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Site. Thanks.